Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, VA Jessie, and I provide work from home tips, sales and phone skills improvement, and anything related to virtual assistants. So if you are someone who's looking to know more about virtual assistants and cold calling and appointment setting, real estate appointment setting, or anything related to talking on the phone as a virtual assistant, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you would always be updated whenever I release a new video. So for today, I'm going to share with you a really exciting video. It's going to be about how I dress up my workstation. I just bought a few things to make it more beautiful and more comfortable. I want to let you know that I'm not really a fan of buying a lot of fancy things. Like, I think as long as something is working, I can use it up until it's busted. But I've experienced, like, because I am working like 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours a day, and mainly like talking and typing on my computer, and I am using a very flat, let me show you, a very flat Mac keyboard, right? It's very sleek, nice, and very cute, stylish, but it's uncomfortable in a way, like as if I'm typing on a table. So it doesn't give comfortability to me, especially I'm very fast when it comes to typing. My fingers started hurting, and you know, I was also wearing an old headset. It was already falling. Let me show you. So I have been using this headset. I love it because, you know, I want my voice to sound very clear. It's Plantronic headset, and I couldn't find anything like it anymore. I don't think they still have a model of it, but I really love how I sound. Like, the quality of the audio is really good, and so I really couldn't give up on it. But as you can see, it's already like, so it's saying goodbye to me. Like, it doesn't have the foam anymore. It's really uncomfortable. My ears are already starting to hurt, and this part of it, it's it's already like detached. I don't know what happened, but one day it just started to fall off. So there are some certain times that when I'm working, it would fall off of my face. It's really funny. So today I'm going to share with you the things that I bought to style my workstation. After redesigning or restyling my workstation, it made me want to work more. Okay, and it became more comfortable for me, and I want to share with you everything. So without further ado, this is a video of how I redesigned my workstation. This was how my station looked like prior to doing the restyling. So I have this very basic setup, nothing on the walls. I also have very, like, it doesn't match everything. So I have my keyboard and my laptop on the other part of the room, and I also have this mouse pad that's very weird, that was given to me by my husband, or I mean, I asked that it was given to me because he wasn't using it. I don't want things wasted, so I took it. And so yeah, just very basic, and my station was not very pleasing to the eyes, and my table was too high. So yeah, this was my previous setup. Alright, so the first thing that I did was purchase a tapestry. So I felt that the wall was so boring, so I bought a tapestry from Crafty Juans. You can follow them on Facebook. I'm gonna have the link down below. They sell really cute tapestry. So I bought this really cute one to be posted on my wall. It's just really nice and cute. Now I'll be putting in the LED strip I bought a Philips LED strip with white lights, and I also bought a double-sided tape. These are from Ace Hardware. The LED strip costed me like 1,000 pesos. Now this is how it looks after putting in the tapestry and the LED light. I'm also thinking of just doing a white motif or a white theme for my workstation, and I wanted to change the color of the curtains that I have. So I replaced it with this really cute sheer curtain. I bought it from Facebook Marketplace too. I'm gonna have the link of the seller down below. And I also bought this really cute dream catcher, moon dream catcher from Crafty Ones, and I put it in between the curtains that I bought. Now it's time for me to set up my workstation. So I bought a mechanical keyboard from Ducky. My husband, he's the one who's really knows things about keyboards, and he asked me to buy this one because this is ergonomic and wouldn't make my fingers and my hands tired. It's mechanical. It's just, you know, white keyboard with a blue space bar, and it's just really cute. And yeah, I had fun using it, and it matches my iMac computer too, so I love it. Now I'm going to set up my mouse pad. So I wanted to have a white theme slash Sakura theme going on here. So I have this gray Sakura type of mouse pad from Razer, and I think this is gonna be a good match to my table and to my pink chair also. Okay, now I would put in the base station chroma or the headset stand that I bought from Razer. I bought all of these, the keyboard and the mouse pad and this headset stand from Data Blitz Green Hills, and they have a lot of different equipment and peripherals that definitely would interest everybody. Razer is a bit pricey, but it's really worth it because they make really good quality equipment. And this is how the headset stand looks. It has two USBs too, so yeah, really cool and matches my Sakura theme. I'm very happy. Now the life of the party is here. My very favorite Kraken Kitty Edition headset from Razer. It's a bit expensive. I think it's around 5,000 pesos, but it's really good. It has really comfortable, you know, earphones, and the audio quality is nice too. Alright, so now let me show you what I did. I bought this Senda laptop stand for my MacBook Air. I'm gonna put in the link below of the seller because a lot of people are asking, because it's just really sleek and cute, and I wanted to have like a laptop stand because I didn't have it for a long time. Alright, so I love Harley Quinn and I love Kenshin Himura so much that I bought these toys from Green Hills so I could just have them as a cute decoration in my desk. It's really awesome, it looks good, it balances the work and the fun on your workstation. And now this is how it looks. This chair, this pink cute chair, are very ergonomical. I bought it from Angelina Gel Furniture. You can look them up on Facebook. And of course the table, I got it from Blackfire Gaming. So yeah, this is the finished look of my workstation. I hope you liked it. And so yeah, this is the finished look of my workstation, and it's really working well, really working great for me. I am now more, you know, inspired to go to work. Not that I'm not so inspired before, it's just that, you know, when your workstation brings you happiness, it's also, you know, a lot more fun to do your work. And I have been depriving myself the past years from buying things like these because I felt like they are not necessary, but I
you know, now that I've done it, I wish I could have done it sooner. So I hope you guys liked it. So this is my previous workstation. It looks really dull and messy and yeah, not really inspiring. And this is how it is now. Thank you guys for watching.
Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. I do hope that you like it and that, you know, it gave you some inspiration to kind of style your workstation too. Trust me, it's gonna make you more motivated, more like kind of drawn to working. Okay, I know how difficult it is to work from home, and there's a lot of different distractions, and you really have to have that kind of motivation and drive to, you know, work, especially if you're working at night. So I hope that this video helped you out, and comment down below if you have any questions. And I would also have all of the information, all of the links if I can, from where I bought these products. All right, thank you guys again. If you haven't done it already, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and hit the like button. And also, if you want to inquire about hiring, please visit my website, telecrewoutsourcing.com. Thank you so much and have a great day, guys. Bye.